An essential step for all Geoweaver users is to ensure that Python environments are properly read from your host system. This setup is vital for executing processes and workflows effectively. After adding a new host or when using the existing local host for the first time, navigate to the host details of the specific host you intend to use. Locate the Python icon at the bottom of the host details. This icon is your gateway to integrating Python environments with Geoweaver. Select the Python icon to proceed. This action will trigger a pop-up window asking for a password. Enter the password you specified during the initial setup of Geoweaver. Once you enter the password and confirm, Geoweaver will read the Python environments available on your host system.